Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage country style kitchen decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage country style kitchen decor is a warm, inviting design style that combines the charm of old-fashioned homes with the simplicity of rural living. It emphasizes comfort, handcrafted details, and pieces that look as though they have been loved and used for generations. Key characteristics: use soft, muted colors like cream, ivory, she's cream, dusty blue, buttery yellow, and warm base. Create a cozy atmosphere. Use natural materials like wooden cabinets, stone countertops, wicker baskets, linen fabrics, and ceramic accessories, add texture and authenticity. Antique inspired pieces. Use vintage clocks, enamel pictures, old skulls, copper pots, and distressed furniture. Contribute to the nostalgic feel. Use open storage for displaying dishes, mugs, glass jars, and cookware. On open shelves or plate racks, makes the kitchen feel lived in. Use floral and gingham patterns, like curtains, tablecloth, or cushions, featuring delicate flowers or checks, add traditional country charm. Use warm metals like brass, copper, and aged iron hardware. Complement the vintage aesthetic. Use decorative details like fresh flowers, potted herbs, handwritten recipe cards, and handmade pottery. Help personalize the space. Furniture and accessories. Use a sturdy wooden dining table with mismatched chairs. Use glass jars filled with flour, sugar, pasta, or dried beans. Vintage style pendant lighting or lantern inspired fixtures. Use wooden cutting boards and bread boxes displayed on countertops. Use crochet or lace accents such as table runners or shelf trims. Tips for creating the look. Choose a neutral color palette and add soft pastel accents. Mix old and new items instead of making everything match perfectly. Incorporate reclaimed or distressed wood where possible. Keep frequently used kitchenware on display for both beauty and convenience. Add textiles like linen towels, crochet pot holders, and floral curtains to soften the room. Decorate with seasonal touches such as fresh herbs, dried flowers, or open baskets for fruit. The overall goal of a vintage country kitchen is to create a space that feels comfortable, timeless, and welcoming. A place where practical function blends naturally with nostalgic charm and handcrafted character. Vintage country style kitchens are designed to feel as though they have evolved over many years rather than being decorated all at once. Small imperfections, heirloom pieces, and handmade items all contribute to their charm. First, focus on comfort. The room should feel welcoming and practical instead of sleek minimalist surfaces. Vintage country kitchens often feature wooden tools with own finishes, soft curtains on chairs, cozy curtains and table linens. Use open spaces where family and friends can gather. Next, layer textures. Using a variety of materials, create depth and warmth. Try combining solid wood, oven wicker, or rattan baskets. Use linen or cotton fabrics, ceramic pottery, cast iron cookware, and glass storage jars. Display everyday items rather than hiding everything in cabinets. Many vintage country kitchens proudly display useful objects like a stack of white plates, mason jars filled with pantry staples, wooden spoon in crock jars, hanging mugs and teacups. Use vintage inspired teapots. Add handcrafted touches. Handmade decor enhances the authentic feel. Examples include crochet table runners, quilted overmaids, hand-painted sign, embroidered towels, knitted or woven baskets. Choose timeless color combinations. Some classic palettes include cream and sheath green, white and dusty blue, beige and soft terracotta, warm grey and natural wood, battery yellow with white trim. Decorate with plants. Fresh greenery makes the kitchen feel lively and connected to nature. Good choices include basil and mint in small pots, rosemary on a sunny windowsill. Use lavender bouquets and wildflowers in vintage pictures. Use warm lighting instead of harsh white lighting. Opt for a softer atmosphere with painted lights over the table or island. Wall sconces with vintage styling. Warm tone bulbs that create a cozy glow. Blend old and new. You do not need genuine antiques. You can mix modern appliances with vintage-inspired accessories, distressed finishes, and traditional patterns to achieve the same welcoming look. Styling ideas for countertops. Lean a wooden cutting board against the backsplash. Group ceramic canister together. Keep a bowl of fresh lemons or apples on display. Add a small vase of seasonal flowers. Use oven trays to organize frequently used items. Common mistakes to avoid: overcrowding every surface with decorations, using too many bright, saturated colors, choosing shiny, ultra-modern finishes that clash with the rustic feel, filling shelves with purely decorative items while sacrificing functionality. A successful vintage country kitchen balances beauty, practicality, and a sense of history, creating a space that feels relaxed, welcoming, and full of character. Vintage country kitchens are inspired by homes where generations cooked, baked, and gathered together. The style values authenticity, craftsmanship, and every comfort over perfection. Create a collected look instead of buying everything as a matching set. Combine features from different eras and styles. A painted wooden cabinet with antique style knobs. Add charming stories. Stories can be both practical and decorative. Oven baskets for vegetables or linens. Glass jars for flour, rice, and pasta. Wooden crates for cookbooks. Wall hooks for aprons and utensils. Plate racks to display favorite dishes. Use nostalgic fabrics. Soft textiles make the kitchen feel welcoming. Use gingham curtains, floral tablecloths, linen tea towels, crochet placemats, and lace cafe curtains. Decorate seasonally. A vintage country kitchen changes naturally with the seasons. Spring, use fresh tulips, pastel ceramic, and light linen. For summer, use sunflowers, oven baskets, and bright fruit displays. For autumn, use pumpkins, dried wheat, and warm-colored textiles. For winter, use pine branches, candles, and cozy plate accents. Display meaningful collections. Choose a few themed collections rather than cluttering every surface. Use vintage teacups, rolling pins, copper kettles, old recipe books, blue and white ceramic plates. Embrace imperfect finishes. A small sign of age often add to the charm. Use distressed paint, painted metal hardware, gently worn wood, handmade ceramics with slight variations. Small space ideas. Even a compact kitchen can capture the style. Paint walls in soft cream or shell green. Use floating wooden shelves instead of bulky cabinets. Hang mugs and utensils to free up counter space. Add on statement piece, such as a vintage style bread box or clock. Keep decor simple so the room feels open. Budget-friendly ways to achieve the look. Repaint existing cabinet in a muted color. Replace modern handles with antique-inspired hardware. Use thrifted or second-hand dishes for open shelving. Display fresh herbs in recycled jars or tin cans. Sew simple linen curtains or crochet a table genre yourself. Finishing touches. The smallest details often make the biggest difference. A bowl of fresh apples on the table. A ceramic pitcher filled with wild flowers. Wooden spoons in a crock by the stove. A stack of folded linen towels. A hand-woven basket for bread. The essence of this country kitchen decor is creating a space that feels lived in, welcoming, and timeless. For natural materials, handcrafted accents, and cherished everyday objects come together to create lasting warmth and character. More tips for creating a beautiful vintage country style kitchen. Choose a stick-made focal point. Use a farmhouse style sink or a vintage inspired rank hood. Display a large antique clock or a rustic wooden hut at the room's centerpiece. Style open shelves thoughtfully. Mix everyday dishes with decorative items. Leave some empty space so shelves feel airy rather than crowded. Stack plates and bowls in neat groups. Bring nature indoors. Grow herbs like basil, thyme, or rosemary on a sunny windowsill. Decorate with branches, wildflowers, or seasonal greenery collected from the garden. Use baskets throughout the kitchen. Stir onion or potatoes in oven baskets. Keep napkins, tea towels, or recipe cards in small wicker containers. Place a basket on the table with fresh bread or fruit. Add handmade charm. Since you enjoy crochet decor, try incorporating crochet markers, crochet pot holders, a crochet table genre, small crochet basket covers, and lace-edged shelf liners. Mix finishes instead of matching everything. A vintage country kitchen often combines painted wood with natural wood, brass handles with iron hooks, white ceramic with colorful floral china, smooth glass with textured wicker. Keep countertops useful and attractive. Limit decorations to a few practical items: a wooden cutting board, a ceramic utensil holder, a bread box, a fruit bowl, a small vase of flowers. Create a cozy breakfast corner. If space allows, add a small round table, cushion to the chairs, a checked tablecloth, a tiny vase with fresh flowers, a hanging pendant light. Use vintage-inspired labels. Label glass jars with handwritten or printed tags for flour, sugar, tea, coffee, and spices to create an organized, old-fashioned look. Tell a story with decor. Display items that look collected over time, such as family recipe books, old rolling pins, enamel pictures, handmade pottery, and vintage-style kitchen skills. Keep technology discreet. Hide small appliances when not in use, or choose ones with retro styling so they blend into the overall design. Priorities warmth over perfection. Minor or on wood, mismatched dishes, or handcrafted pictures can make the kitchen feel more genuine and welcoming rather than a perfectly coordinated space. By layering natural materials, soft colors, vintage inspired accessories, and handmade details, you can create a kitchen that feels timeless, comfortable, and full of character. Hang cookware as decor, like copper pans, cast iron skillets, or enamel pots, can be displayed on wall hooks or hanging racks. making them both useful and decorative. Add a pig rail. A simple wooden pig rail is perfect for hanging aprons, tea towels, baskets, oven mitts, small oven bags. Decorate with vintage-inspired containers. Store dry goods in glass jars with wooden lids, ceramic canisters, enamel tins, metal biscuit boxes. Include a freestanding bit of furniture instead of only built-in cabinets. Try adding a painted pantry cupboard, a rustic sideboard, an old baker's racks, a small kitchen island on wheels. Display cookbooks. Stack a few favorite cookbooks on a shelf or countertop. Mixing them with a candle or a small plant creates an inviting dignity. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.